Devon Banks here, and I am at the beautiful TN Wraps, better known as Sign Designs in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Made the short drive here, about 9 hours or so, and we got a new wrap for 2021. Very excited about the partners that has joined me, and if I'm gonna have the best partners in the industry, I got to have the best people in the industry who's going to wrap my boat so I can promote and show off my sponsors to the best of the ability. So I made that 9-hour drive here very smooth. And let's go into TN Wraps, Sign Designs, talk to Jeff Stanford, and let them know what all they have to offer for you folks that are always looking for that top wrap. You can always just come on down here. They're just awesome. Very quick in regards to design process and all that, but they have a lot more to offer. Let's go in there and check out what they got. Come on, let's go. There's the man, folks. Jeff Stanford, TN Wraps. That's the guy. We're gonna walk around the shop, do a little talking.
Just a little busy today.
Just a little busy today. That's a good thing.
Great thing.
Printing out decals and wrapping boats and trucks and trailers and doing a little bit of everything. Give you a little walk around through the shop.
Ricky's out there measuring for one of our new seafoam products. He's measuring a boat right now that we'll be producing over there in the other room.
That bullet?
That bullet, yeah.
So the big things, folks, is the seafoam. And as you see on this deck right here, they've equipped this older Ranger with this seam foam padding right here, which is very durable. It's better than carpet. So we got a bullet right here that's about to get remodeled with the carpet with this seafoam right here. So let's walk around this Ranger and show you this whole layout right here. So they got the floor done, real soft, real durable. That's going to be the ticket in the next couple of years, folks. Everybody grabbing this seafoam. So Ricky, how soon will this bullet have seafoam on it?
It should be about, if I can get started on it, it'll take about a day and a half to
Okay.
get everything going.
All right. So out goes the carpet, in goes the seafoam. And why are guys going to that seafoam? What's the deal on that?
The weight of the water when it's raining and stuff in the carpet slows it down so much, and it takes so long to dry. The seafoam, you know, it dries pretty instantly and doesn't suck up any water to make it heavy.
Gotcha.
Keep your speeds up.
There you go. So not only does TN Wraps do wrap installs on boats and trucks and trailers, you can see right there, but they also have started with the seafoam padding. That is probably going to be the next end thing on bass boats. Out goes the carpet, in goes the seafoam. So pretty much you're a one-stop shop. Seafoam deck, decals, wraps, the whole deal.
That's it. About 28 years now.
28 years. And that's why I drove 9 hours to come see this gentleman, to get my boat done by the right people, to do it the right way.
We appreciate it.